Got a Whelen here, about to be recorded. Has a federal signal ultra voice control box, which is weird, and also it's high pitched and an old model, which is really rare. Alright, it's gonna record soon. It's gonna test soon. It's 11:59, almost noon, and it's about to go off. And it's 12 now. It hasn't gone off yet. Here it goes. It's not activating right now. It's gonna activate soon. Here it goes. There it is! There's the siren! That is loud! Just for 1 minute! Actually, I think it's testing for 5 minutes. Other Whelens are turning off. Weird federal signal control box. I don't know why. Yeah.
Come here.
Alright, should I end the video now?
Come here. I want to do something.
Okay.
Stand right there. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna record you. I'm just asking you some questions. All right.
Okay.